Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're all about DIY birthday gifts that are super fun to make and perfect for any age. These are all budget-friendly and will leave a lasting impression, so grab your bestie or get the whole family involved. Gift idea number 1, spa-worthy bath bombs. Imagine this. You draw a hot bath, light some candles, and then toss in a beautiful fizzing bath bomb you made yourself. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's actually really easy. All you need are a few simple ingredients like baking soda, citric acid, and essential oils for a relaxing scent. We'll link to our favorite recipe in the description below, but trust us, this is a gift that will have everyone saying, wow. Gift idea number 2, delicious decorated sugar scrubs. Speaking of pampering, how about a sugar scrub that not only buffs away dry skin but also smells incredible? This is another easy DIY project. Just mix sugar with coconut oil and your favorite essential oil like lavender or lemon. Package it up in a cute jar with a label and you've got a gift that's both useful and beautiful. Gift idea number 3, coasters with flair. Let's get crafty. We all know someone who appreciates a stylish drink. Why not turn plain coasters into mini works of art? Grab some cork or wooden coasters and unleash your creativity. Paint them, decorate them with fabric scraps, or use decoupage for a vintage touch. These are guaranteed to add personality to any home decor. Gift idea number 4, memory jars filled with love. This is a super sentimental gift that's perfect for anyone you care about. Find a decorative jar and fill it with small notes, photos, or mementos that remind you of the recipient and the special times you've shared together. Every time they open the jar, it will bring back a wave of happy memories. Gift idea number 5, friendship bracelets that never go out of style. Remember those cool friendship bracelets you used to make as a kid? Well, guess what? They're totally back in style. This is a fun and inexpensive gift that anyone would love. There are tons of tutorials online to show you different braiding patterns so you can create something unique for your bestie. So there you have it, 5 DIY birthday gift ideas that are sure to impress. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your creativity flow. For more detailed instructions and tons of other DIY inspiration, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our boards on Pinterest. We'll see you next time.